Stop paying insane roaming fees every time you travel outside the country. Most people just turn on their phone when they land and pay $10 a day for a standard travel pass. That is the most expensive way to stay connected, and it is a total waste of your hard-earned money. The hidden cost-saving hack for 2026 is switching to a travel eSIM. An eSIM is just a digital version of the plastic card inside your phone. You can download one in seconds, and it lets you connect to local networks for a fraction of the price. Apps like Iralo or Saily allow you to buy data for almost any country before you even leave your house. You can get 10 gigabytes of high-speed data for less than $20 in most popular destinations. Compare that to the $70 you would pay your carrier for a one-week trip. The savings are massive when you plan ahead. The best part is that you do not have to remove your physical US SIM card. Modern phones let you keep both active at the same time using a dual SIM setup. This means you can keep your home number active for important texts and iMessage, but you set your cellular data to use the cheap travel eSIM instead. To make this work, you must make sure your phone is unlocked by your carrier first. If your phone is still on a payment plan, it might be locked to your network. Once you arrive at your destination, your phone will automatically find the local tower. You get day one connectivity the moment the plane touches the ground. You do not have to stand in line at a kiosk or hunt for a local phone shop in a foreign language. Using a digital SIM is safer because you are not handling tiny plastic cards that are easy to lose. If you are a heavy user, you can even find unlimited data plans from providers like Holofly. These plans give you total peace of mind for one flat rate. You can stream movies or navigate with maps without worrying about a cap. Just remember to turn off data roaming on your primary line to avoid any accidental charges from your home carrier. This simple hack can save a family of four over $400 on a single vacation. It is the smartest way to keep your tech running without breaking the bank. You should also look into regional eSIM plans. If you are visiting multiple countries in Europe, you can buy one plan that covers the entire continent. This is much cheaper than buying a separate plan for every stop. It is the ultimate convenience for the modern traveler. Most eSIMs also allow you to top up your data through an app if you run low. You are always in control of what you spend. Stop letting big carriers profit from your vacation. Drop a comment with your favorite travel destination and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more savvy travel hacks.